Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Read timeout error: when your Python program waits too long for a response, tutorial and solutions. The read timeout error is a common exception in Python, particularly when dealing with network requests using libraries like requests, urllib, or httplib. It signals that your program has initiated a connection and sent a request to a server, but the server hasn't responded within a specified time limit. In simpler terms, your program got tired of waiting and gave up. This comprehensive tutorial will cover 1. What is a timeout? Understanding timeouts in the context of network communication. 2. What is read timeout error specifically, diving deeper into the exception, its causes, and when it appears. 3. Common causes of read timeout error *, pinpointing the reasons behind this error. 4. Stack Overflow examples and analysis *, investigating real-world examples from Stack Overflow and identifying solutions. 5. How to handle read timeout error *, implementing error handling strategies in your code. 6. How to prevent read timeout error *, implementing best practices to avoid this error altogether. 7. Troubleshooting steps *, a checklist for debugging and resolving timeout issues. 8. Configuration and customization *, adjusting timeout values and exploring library-specific settings. 9. Alternative approaches *, exploring asynchronous programming and queue-based systems. 10. Conclusion *, recap and best practices for working with timeouts. Let's dive in. 1. What is a timeout? In network communication, a timeout is a time limit assigned to an operation, such as establishing a connection or receiving data. If the operation doesn't complete within the defined timeout period, the system will terminate the attempt and report a timeout error. Timeouts are crucial for preventing programs from hanging indefinitely when encountering slow or unresponsive servers. They help maintain application responsiveness and prevent resource exhaustion. Consider this analogy: you're calling a friend. You let the phone ring for a certain amount of time. If they don't answer within that time, you hang up. The ringing duration is analogous to a timeout. 2. What is read timeout error specifically? Read timeout error is a specific type of timeout error. It arises during the read phase of a network communication. This means *, a connection has been established *, your program successfully connected to the server. *, a request has been sent *, your program sent the data it wanted to send, example, a GET request for a web page. *, the server is not responding in a timely manner with the response data *, the server is taking too long to send back the response. The read timeout error specifically indicates that the delay is happening after the connection is established and after the request has been sent. It's not about failing to connect, it's about not receiving a response within the allowed time. Libraries that might raise read timeout error *. Requests *. This is probably the most common library where you'll encounter this. It wraps urllib 3. urllib 3 *, the underlying library that requests often uses. urllib.request, Python standard library, provides a basic way to make HTTP requests. http.client, Python standard library, the low-level HTTP client used by urllib.request. 3. Common causes of read timeout error *. Several factors can contribute to a read timeout error. Slow network connection *, a poor internet connection on either the client, your program, or the server side. This is the most common cause. Latency and packet loss can significantly impact response times. Server overload *, the server you are trying to reach may be under heavy load, processing many requests simultaneously. This can slow down its response time. Asterisk resource-intensive server operations. Asterisk the request you are sending may require the server to perform a complex or time-consuming operation, example a complicated database query, image processing, or video encoding. Asterisk large response size. Asterisk the server is sending back a lot of data, and the network is taking a long time to transfer it all. Think of downloading a very large file. Asterisk firewall or proxy issues. Asterisk a firewall or proxy server might be filtering or inspecting traffic, adding latency to the connection. They might also be temporarily blocking the connection. Asterisk server-side issues. Asterisk the server itself may have bugs, be misconfigured, or be experiencing other issues that are causing it to respond slowly. Asterisk incorrect timeout settings. Asterisk the timeout value set in your code might be too low for the specific operation you are performing, even under normal conditions. You might need to increase it. Asterisk DDoS attacks. Asterisk distributed denial of service attacks can overwhelm a server, causing it to become unresponsive. Asterisk TCP congestion. Asterisk if the network is experiencing congestion, packets can be dropped or delayed, leading to timeouts. Asterisk DNS resolution issues. Asterisk while less common for read timeouts, if the DNS lookup is slow, it could contribute to overall delay. 4. Stack Overflow examples and analysis. Asterisk asterisk. Let's look at some real-world examples from Stack Overflow to understand how read timeout error manifests and how people have solved it. Example 1, using requests library. Analysis asterisk. Asterisk code asterisk this code attempts to fetch data from https://example.com/very slow page using the requests library. It sets a timeout of 5 seconds. Asterisk timeout equals 5 asterisk this is the key. It tells requests to wait a maximum of 5 seconds for the server to respond with data after the connection is established. Asterisk try, except block asterisk this is crucial for handling the potential read timeout error. It attempts the request and catches the exception if it occurs. It also catches other exceptions that might arise during a request. Asterisk reason for error asterisk if the server takes longer than 5 seconds to send the response, a requests.exceptions.read timeout will be raised and caught. Asterisk solution asterisk the Stack Overflow answers for this type of question often suggest asterisk increasing the timeout value asterisk if the server genuinely takes a longer time to respond, increasing the timeout might resolve the issue. Asterisk checking the server's availability asterisk verify that the server is running and not overloaded. Asterisk improving network connectivity asterisk ensure a stable and fast internet connection. Asterisk implementing retry logic asterisk if the error is intermittent, try resending the request a few times with a delay between attempts. Example 2, using urllib.request. Analysis asterisk. Asterisk code asterisk this example uses the urllib.request module, which is part of the Python standard library. Asterisk timeout equals 10 asterisk similar to the requests example, this sets a timeout of 10 seconds. Asterisk socket.timeout asterisk urllib.request will raise a socket.timeout exception if the timeout is reached. Note that requests uses its own requests.exceptions.read timeout exception, which is a subclass of IO error, not socket.timeout. Asterisk urllib.error.url error asterisk this exception is more general and can encompass various URL-related errors, including connection errors and DNS resolution failures. It's good practice to catch this as well. Asterisk solution asterisk the solutions are the same as for the requests example, increase the timeout, check server availability, improve network connectivity, and implement retry logic. Example 3, timeout when uploading large files. Let's consider a scenario where you are uploading a large file to a server. The server might take a long time to process the upload, leading to a timeout. Analysis asterisk. Asterisk code asterisk. This code uploads a file named large_file.zip to https://example.com/upload. Asterisk timeout equals 30 asterisk. The timeout is set to 30 seconds. Asterisk increased timeout asterisk. Uploading files, especially large ones, generally takes longer than simply retrieving data. A higher timeout is usually necessary. Asterisk solution asterisk. Asterisk increase the timeout significantly asterisk. Consider setting a timeout of several minutes or even hours, depending on the file size and network conditions. Asterisk implement progress monitoring asterisk. Display a progress bar to show the user that the upload is in progress and has installed. You can use libraries like TQDM for this. Asterisk implement chunked uploading asterisk. Break the file into smaller chunks and upload them sequentially. This can make the upload process more resilient to network interruptions. Asterisk use a resumable upload protocol asterisk. Implement a protocol that allows you to resume the upload from where it left off if the connection is interrupted. Services like AWS S3 and Google Cloud Storage offer built-in support for resumable uploads. 5. How to handle read timeout error asterisk asterisk. Properly handling read timeout error is essential for creating robust applications. Here are several strategies. Asterisk try, except blocks asterisk. Wrap the network request code in a try, except block to catch the read timeout error, or the appropriate timeout exception for the library you're using. Asterisk retry logic asterisk. Implement a retry mechanism to automatically resend the request a certain number of times if a read timeout error occurs. This can be useful for handling intermittent network issues. Asterisk logging asterisk. Log the occurrence of read timeout errors to help diagnose and troubleshoot issues. Include relevant information such as the URL being requested, the timeout value, and the timestamp. Asterisk graceful degradation asterisk. If a read timeout error occurs, consider providing a fallback mechanism or a simplified user experience. For example, if you can't retrieve data from an external API, display cached data or a default message. 6. How to prevent read timeout error asterisk asterisk. While you can't completely eliminate the possibility of timeouts, you can take steps to minimize their occurrence. Asterisk use appropriate timeout values asterisk. Carefully consider the expected response time of the server and set the timeout value accordingly. Start with a reasonable value and adjust it based on your observations and testing. Don't set excessively long timeouts, as this can mask other problems and degrade application responsiveness. Asterisk optimize server performance asterisk. If you control the server, optimize its performance to reduce response times. This might involve optimizing database queries, improving caching, or upgrading hardware. Asterisk use a content delivery network, CDN. If you're serving static content, example images, CSS, JavaScript, use a CDN to distribute the content closer to users, reducing latency. Asterisk monitor server load asterisk. Monitor the server's load and resource utilization to identify potential bottlenecks. Use tools like Top, or monitoring services like Prometheus and Grafana. Asterisk implement caching asterisk. Cache frequently accessed data to reduce the need to retrieve it from the server repeatedly. Asterisk handle large requests efficiently asterisk. For requests that involve large amounts of data, consider using techniques such as pagination or compression to reduce the amount of data that needs to be transferred. Asterisk implement health checks asterisk. Regularly check the health of the server to detect and resolve issues before they cause timeouts. Asterisk optimize network configuration asterisk. Ensure that the network infrastructure is properly configured and optimized for performance. This might involve adjusting TCP settings, enabling compression, or using a load balancer. Asterisk use asynchronous requests. Asterisk if you need to make multiple requests concurrently, use asynchronous requests to avoid blocking the main thread. Libraries like Asyncio and IOT can be helpful for this. 7. Troubleshooting steps. If you encounter read timeout errors, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. 1. Check network connectivity. Verify that your program has a stable and reliable internet connection. Try pinging the server to check network latency. 2. Check server availability. Ensure that the server is running and accessible. Try accessing the server from a web browser or using a tool like curl. 3. Review server logs. Examine the server logs for any errors or warnings that might indicate the cause of the slowdown. 4. Increase timeout value. Temporarily increase the timeout value to see if that resolves the issue. If it does, it suggests that the server is genuinely taking longer to respond. However, don't leave the timeout at an excessively high value. Investigate the underlying cause of the slowness. 5. Simplify the request. Try sending a simpler request to the server to see if that resolves the issue. This can help isolate whether the problem is with the request itself or with the server's overall performance. 6. Check firewall and proxy settings. Ensure that firewalls and proxy servers are not blocking or interfering with the connection. 7. Monitor network traffic. Use network monitoring tools like Wireshark to capture and analyze network traffic. This can help identify latency issues, packet loss, or other network problems. 8. Test from different locations. Try accessing the server from different network locations to see if the issue is specific to a particular network. 9. Contact server administrator. If you suspect that the problem is with the server itself, contact the server administrator for assistance. 8. Configuration and customization. Different libraries offer different ways to configure timeouts. Requests. The timeout parameter can be a single value, for both connect and read timeouts, or a tuple of two values, connect timeout, read timeout. urllib.request. You can set a global timeout using socket.setDefaultTimeout, but this is generally not recommended because it affects all socket operations. It's better to specify the timeout when calling urlopen. urllib3 urllib3 allows you to configure connect and read timeouts separately using the urllib3.utility timeout class. 9. Alternative approaches. Asynchronous programming, example Asyncio, IOT. Asynchronous requests allow your program to continue processing other tasks while waiting for a response from the server. This can improve application responsiveness and prevent blocking. Queue-based systems, example Celery, RabbitMQ offload long-running or potentially unreliable tasks to a queue. A separate worker process can then process the tasks in the background. This can prevent the main application from being blocked by timeouts. 10. Conclusion. Read timeout error is a common problem when dealing with network requests in Python. By understanding the causes of this error, implementing proper error handling, and adopting best practices, you can create more robust and reliable applications. Remember to use appropriate timeout values. Implement try, except blocks and retry logic. Log timeout errors for debugging. Monitor server load and network connectivity. Consider asynchronous requests or queue-based systems for long-running tasks. Always check server availability. By following these guidelines, you can effectively manage read timeout errors and ensure the smooth operation of your Python applications.